Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. Today it's a new vinyl. It's called Tesoro vinyl flooring. Today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.
Hi, if you're new to the channel, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and as usual, helping me in the videos are my sons Tristan and Hunter. Well, today I just want to show you a new vinyl that we just installed. It's a luxury vinyl floor. I really like the locking system, the Uni-click system. Kind of nostalgic. It's the old quick step system, or the quick step system that they still use on most of their floors. So it's a good locking system. I like working with it. Let me show you the product. You can see for yourself. All right, so here we are. We're doing Tesoro Chateau Collection engineered luxury planks. It is a Uni-click locking system with a four-sided patented V-groove, very realistic looking, 100% recycled composite core. Can be installed in bathrooms, kitchens, has a padding attached. The padding is supposed to help really absorb the sound, and you can do over 6,400 feet without any transitions. Floor score certified, carb 2 compliant. The color is Driftwood Grey. There's a lot of variation from what I can tell, so you really have to mix your planks quite a bit. It's a nice looking floor from what I see. We'll let you know how it installs once we get started. This is the job here. We're all going over the top of ceramic tile throughout the whole house, including kitchens, bathrooms, living rooms. Interesting thing, the master bedroom has carpet or has carpet, so we're gonna raise this up so that our floor can flow right through the doorway. We're also doing the bathrooms here, so we have to pull the toilets because you never install around a toilet, you always install under a toilet. We will not reset though because I leave it up to the plumbers. You don't want to be liable for something that leaks. Especially in a building like this, it could leak downstairs and flood the whole building. Not worth the liability. Well, that's it. I'm excited to see how this new product is going to install. So stay tuned and we'll find out. So we did the entire house, condo, we should say. It's about 1,100 square feet. And we flowed it the proper direction, the way you walk in the door and the way the light flows down the planks. It's a wider plank. It looks like it's a 7-inch wide vinyl. We ran it through the kitchen. We put it under the oven, under the refrigerator, not under the dishwasher, and just under washer machine and dryer combination where we were able to get it under. It's tricky with water lines and we don't remove them. In the front area of the house, we have what I guess would be considered a bedroom. It does have a double wide sliding door, but in Florida, if it has a closet, it's considered a bedroom, and it actually has a bathroom as well. Double bonus. I'd probably use it as an office, but it's a good sized room. It has its own bathroom. Like I said, we flowed the floor into the bathroom and we removed the toilets. Now, a lot of people ask me, what do you do when you do bathrooms? You never go around toilets. It doesn't look good, and you can't seal it the same way. When they reset this toilet, we'll caulk, or they will silicone caulk around the whole toilet to actually seal it into the floor, and no water can get under it. Even if the toilet leaks, no water will go under it this way. But I don't reset water lines, so they're gonna have a plumber come in and take care of that. So as we continue into the rest of the house, take a look at the trim. We did a 1x6 flat modern profile baseboard throughout. It's a good sized living family room or dining room combination here. We had mirrored walls, and I let one of my sons take it down for the client. She wanted to get them down and I didn't want my floor damaged. So it was a win-win situation. We got them down, the floor didn't get damaged, and my son made a couple extra bucks. So everyone was happy there. As we continue through the living areas, I guess this is a sunroom. I thought it was a patio, but now it all flows nicely into it. So this little sun area of the house should look pretty nice with all the light flowing down the planks. It looks really, really impressive. Why it's really important to lay your floor out so the light flows down them, and the way you walk into rooms, you want to look and walk down the planks as well. As we go from here, we'll show you the rest of the house. It's a nice looking vinyl. I like it. It has a nice texture to it as well. This is the master. It's where all the magic happens. It's a good sized master, and we float it right into the bathroom where we have a walk-in closet, and then we have the toilet part of the bathroom here. Our pocket door just barely made it here. We're going over the top of tile, and whenever you're going over tile, you're raising the floor for the second time because it already has one floor under it, so now you have tile and vinyl. And in our case here, we had carpet originally in this bedroom, but we didn't want one of those moldings in the doorway. You see, no molding. I don't do moldings. No molding. But we had different height floors. This room was a ½ an inch lower than the rest of the house because this room didn't have tiles. So we built this room up with cork. We're in a condo here, so we had sound to worry about with the neighbors downstairs. So cork solved that problem, and it built it up to the rest of the house. Plus, this product here has a padding on it, so this floor actually feels really nice when you walk on it. And hopefully the neighbors downstairs, who are super nice people, I talked to them a million times this weekend working on it, hopefully they don't hear a lot of footsteps and people walking around upstairs. So this is it. This is the Tesoro vinyl floor. I think it's a nice vinyl. I'll definitely put a little more information about it, the specs on it and all that good stuff below as well. So if you're new around here, be sure to check out some of our other content. We really want to build our channel. We want to make it grow. Sharing and liking our videos really helps enormously. If you could do that, that would be a big help. We want to improve the quality of our videos as well, so we put a PayPal link below if you want to support us with a donation, or you just want to buy the guys lunch. We appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors, plus my favorite, product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl. You can put them head to head. I run them over, I dump them, I submerge them, I do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And thanks for watching.